tag him out later. I want to see you do that. Yeah. That's the stuff I was doing.
Good, yeah? Aroy Mac.
Do it again.
Brother. The friendly caterpillar. Oh, wow.
Oh, that is mental.
This goes against my morals and my ethics, but I'm gonna. Look how busy it is on Beach Road. They closed off the road for the firework festival. It's packed on the beach. The beach is rammed. Let's have a look. The last time I remember seeing this road closed and it being so busy was during Songkran back in April. It's probably going to get busier as well because the fireworks haven't really started yet. There's only been like one set of fireworks so far. All the Christmas lights are out. Usually I don't even bother recording fireworks because what's the point? Everyone's just recording it through their phone or through their camera. They're never going to watch those videos again. Imagine inviting all your friends and family around to watch 20 minutes of fireworks on your TV. The best way to watch it is with your eyes, but everyone watches fireworks through a screen. Everyone does it, even me. I mean, I've been doing it today, but it is a fireworks festival, so I make an exception. And it's more about the vibe. The vibe is very vibey. There's so many people, it's crazy. Like I said, the last time I saw this place like this, Beach Road, was during Songkran. Amazing vibes. So busy. I'm trying to find my friends, my London crew. I don't know where they are. I did some more fireworks. So you got food stalls everywhere along the whole beach. There's food stalls all the way up to Walking Street. I'm not even sure how long these go on for. Oh, this guy's enjoying himself. My internet on my phone is not working now. There's just too many people. I don't think the show's over yet. I think there's gonna be way more to come. Oh, you eat noodle?
I literally said to him, they're just gonna pop out randomly.
I always do. I always spawn out of nowhere. Oh, you got so many noodles here.
Yeah, I know. So much try.
Which one you get?
So much try. I go for this one.
Oh, you go for this one.
Noodle.
This one very aroy. Aroy Mac.
Black noodle.
Where's your friend?
That man over there and the girls just over there.
Okay, yeah, no, I saw you walking from distance.
Okay.
I couldn't find like I didn't have any internet, so I was just like walking around trying to find signal. There's so many people now.
There's so many people.
Crazy. It was like this. The last time it was like this was in Songkran. Like, you know, when they closed off they closed off.
It's a bit mad, I mean, considering what this is now.
Yeah.
We've been on the beach or just on the road?
I was just walking on the road.
I don't want a papaya salad.
Have some
Are you
bugs.
being serious? No, man.
Oh, you eat that? What is it? Tastes good, yeah?
I don't know English.
Let me film you eat. Eat. It tastes good? Give him some now. No, go on, try, please, try. No, I'm trying it. I'm not trying it.
You're gonna do it on camera.
Not this one. No, not this one. Like maybe. Yeah, one time. No. Cannot.
I'm curious here, but I got some bag, man.
It tastes good?
I told you,
It tastes good, yeah? I don't want to try.
1.0 ordered that at a restaurant.
If he try, I try. If he try, I try. Only he try first. He has to try first, then I try.
Can I smell it? Can I just smell it? Fucking hell, man. Should I try it, Liz? Gonna try it,
If you try it. But I need a drink. Have you got a drink?
That's a good point.
I need a drink to wash it down. I can't walk around with that aftertaste. Yeah.
They were just here. You get a drink down there, but I think it's in a cup. Got in there. No, man, that's like a pick and mix of
Go
hell.
on. Let me see.
I'm gonna get a picture.
Wait. Eat. Show it.
No, I'll tell you what's up. I'll take a video. Alright, now put it there. Yeah, put that in your mouth, video. I want to see you do that. That's the stuff I was talking
Good,
about.
good, yeah? Aroy Mac.
Do it again.
Wait, let me have a look inside.
So what the hell is that?
I don't know English.
Caterpillar.
Huh?
Yeah, it looks like a caterpillar or something.
She's looking at me like, oh, you got to film with me.
Let me have a look inside the bag. Brother.
Do it again. Have to buy some Listerine on the way home.
Yeah, you gotta give a double Listerine before you.
Okay, one.
Like when I get these girls are made of.
Lots of protein, yeah?
But she got one carton was banging, you know.
Carton.
She tasted nice.
She drink carton? Yeah.
Hey, we eat a pussy that tastes like caterpillar. No, I don't eat pussy.
Wow, he's gonna try bugs.
I'm gonna try the bug.
He's gonna try a bug.
I'm gonna try
The friendly caterpillar. Oh wow.
Oh, that is mental. Oh, it's softer than I thought. That is so weird.
Oh no.
I'll be honest, the flavour on the outside is actually quite nice.
Really?
The texture threw me off.
All right, hold it. Let me do it.
No.
This not two. Not two. Double jumping. All right. This goes against my morals and my ethics, but I'm
1, 2, 3.
gonna.
It's not terrible, but the texture's a bit mad though, isn't it?
Yeah, the texture's horrible, but the taste is decent.
You know?
all that when you kiss her.
No way on earth.
No way on earth. When you kiss her later, it tastes all that shit. I really had one. I just had one myself.
What on
It's okay.
It's not bad.
It's okay. It's not aroy mac, but
Yeah,
it's
not
like
aroy mac.
nice.
I'll do another one.
Going in for seconds, wow.
I want to see that clip. That is bad.
It's not terrible.
It's actually not. You should try it. Try it. Come on. What's in Thailand?
It's actually quite nice. The second
Oh,
one was better than the first one. But it's still weird.
You gonna try it? Have you tried before? Try it.
Oh no. I'm the smart one here. It wasn't as bad as before. I don't know what I was expecting.
No. Wait. What's this one she's trying to give me? Wait, hold on.
That's mad, isn't it?
Wait, what is that? That is a cockroach. That looks like a cockroach. Hey, that's a cockroach.
No, it's a grasshopper.
A grasshopper.
Same.
No, I'm not trying that one. No way. No way.
Why don't you try and get to Pattaya before the end of the evening?
Down there. It's mostly down there. I'm not seeing it up this side.
No, it's only from there. To be honest, that side of the beach is the place to be, really, all the way over there. Yeah.
They're jumping there.
Yeah, towards terminal, yeah.